Okay guys, just want to walk you through this. By now you've already designed your artwork and you place it on your t-shirt, much like this lovely model we have over here. I have an example of it printed out. Today we're going to try to figure out how to call this to actual size. We're going to make art and artwork to scale basically, so like we could send it to a factory or a screen printer and they could actually print it out the right scale for us. So we have to figure out how big it is, and we're going to work in inches. So it's good to have this already started. The next step is to find an actual garment that's similar. So I don't have this mint green t-shirt, but I have a shirt that's kind of similar, and maybe it's a little bit shorter, but it's pretty similar. Yeah, the neck's like a little different, but at least it can get us somewhere to get started. I actually put this on the dress form inside out because it has a print on one side. I didn't want the print to distract me. So anyways, you can put this on yourself. You don't have to put it on a dress form. You can have a friend help you or whatever. And what you're going to try to do is just kind of figure out, how big is this artwork if it was actually on this shirt? So what I like to do is get a ruler and have that nearby, and I'll kind of look at it, say like, oh, I think it starts about here. It goes underneath the armhole. Maybe it's about this big, like right here where my two fingers are. And I'll go ahead and get some measuring tape and measure. And it looks like I have 9 inches for the widest part of my art. So, so go ahead and do that. And then you have at least a starting point of what to go ahead and change your artwork to be. So I'm gonna go back to the computer and I'm gonna change just the artwork to be 9 inches, and then I'll print it out and take it from there.